if we want to retain all files for a certain period of time because we want to protect the files or we want to meet compliance policies. And that's where we get into retention policies, another nice feature when you have your files inside of Microsoft 365. So if I go into Microsoft Purview and I go to data lifecycle management and I can edit the retention policy, and I have one here. So I go through here and I have this retention policy which says for all of my files inside of Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint, I can retain these items for 7 years. And at the end of the 7 year period, we would delete them. So retain them for 7 years. We're going to base it on the date the item was last modified, and then we're going to delete the items automatically. I do that for everything in my company, including emails, but we're just talking about files right now. For all files except for HR and legal, and those have a forever retention policy on them. And this demo that I did here, this is the same type of demo and orientation we do live for the users when we do these types of projects for our clients.